Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
89-degree air temperature, dew point value 74, making it feel kind of steamy out there. That east-southeast wind, a little bit more of a southerly component today, and that's important. It's going to continue to stream moisture in, and I'll tell you, the atmosphere is getting really thick with moisture, and we're developing a line of showers, a fairly intense line of showers over on the other coast, kind of headed this way. So I think we are in line for seeing a good chance at some, again, strong storms. Like yesterday, we had some big storms around, and they did damage down around Venice. They had some hail in Manatee County, but they were basically two large cells. Today, I think we have a better chance of seeing a large line of storms move through here that could really give everybody a chance at some fairly heavy rainfall a little bit later on. Put the rain chance at 60%, maybe even a little higher by 3 p.m. And that rain chance carries on till about 7, 8 o'clock until that line of showers moves out in the Gulf of Mexico and dissipates. Then overnight, I think we'll be left with pretty quiet conditions. Right now, quiet in our area, but boy, you can already see that line of storms beginning to take shape and advance in this direction. And some of them, even at this hour, producing some pretty good rainfall. Now, the thing is that as these showers move across the land, they will lose a little bit of their energy. They will start to dissipate a bit, but by the time they get close to our coastline a little bit later in the day, they'll encounter our west coast sea breeze, and boom, they will reinitiate. They will produce some pretty big thunderstorms, I think, as we head into the 4, 5, 6 o'clock hour. High pressure is what's causing this easterly flow, southeasterly flow today, and it's anchored. We are really not going to see that high move too terribly much for the next 5 to 7 days, bringing us that easterly wind. And within the afternoon, the sea breeze developing, producing showers and thunderstorms that just blossom as they move out into Gulf waters. Once that shower line moves into the Gulf, then our rain chance will start to go down, but it'll take until probably 8, 9 o'clock. East wind pattern all week long. West moving storms. You look out to the east, you see the skies darken, you know those storms are heading in your direction. And some of the storms producing some pretty strong weather, I think. This is the amount of moisture available in the atmosphere. Redder is wetter in this map. And it's the entire column of the atmosphere from ground to the top of the sky where weather happens. And you can see the really red and humid conditions that are over us today and through tonight. And maybe the drier air will arrive by later week, midweek or so. But for today and for tomorrow, I think we have excellent chances of seeing some stronger storms around. East wind coming in at about 10 knots today, light chop, 2-foot seas. And the forecast for the week ahead looks like this. Today and tomorrow, I think a 60% chance of rainfall will do it. Some of that drier air that I just showed you on that map may arrive on Thursday, reducing rain chances a little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. And then that will be gone. Moisture will return and will up the rain chances once again to 60%. Carry that on through the weekend. And as we head into next work week, I think our rain chances still remain high. So that easterly wind flow will continue to bring us those west moving storms with the timing of them later in the day into the evening hours during maximum heating, maximum energy from that heat, and lots of moisture just continuing to ride in on that east-southeast wind. So